So hello you guys, so today I'm gonna do a review on this Akaso EK7000. Now like about a year ago I already purchased a Akaso V50 Pro, which is I'm still using it right now. I'm recording with the V50 Pro right now. Now I got this because I won from one of those those grabber machine that you grab the one of those stuffed animal, but this machine they don't have stuffed animal. This machine they got all kind of electronic stuff and toys, so I was lucky to grab this one. It's a dollar machine, so it's a best dollar I ever spent. Anyhow, so this what the camera looked like. It looked pretty nice. Overall, the only thing I don't like is the screen. The LCD screen is not that clear, because this is just one of those basic LCD screen. It's not a touch screen like the V Pro, the V50 Pro. So, but it's okay. You get what you pay for, and I checked this online and it costs about like maybe $60. So they come with camera, and come with a whole bunch of mounting accessories. Let me get it here. Yeah, a lot of mounting accessories. So look how much mounting accessory. It comes with a remote too. So this is the remote. A whole bunch of mounting accessories. Yeah, I have. Probably never gonna use it. And they give you an extra case. I don't know where I left this is the cover for the enclosure for the waterproof. So I don't know where I put that one. Probably somewhere inside the house. But yeah, they come with all this accessory, so it's pretty nice. So you don't have to buy accessory for this and mounting stuff, because they have most of all the important mounting tool that you need already. So let me show you some of the options with the camera. So later on I'm gonna do a riding test on my scooter and see how how the video function when you do riding. But I don't expect much, because this one don't have the image stabilizer, so especially if you're riding a two-wheel like this, it's gonna shake a lot. So I don't expect the riding video will be good, but it does record up to 4K, so that's the good thing about it. So right now let me show you some of the options and some of the functionality they have with this camera. So you got the power button in front, so you got this the enter button, the LCD of course. On the right side is up and down button, and on the left side is the USB plug-in and the memory, the SD memory. On the bottom you got this the battery, where you put in the battery, right here. And they do give you two batteries, so that's good. So if you rent one, you have a spare for it. Now this is power button, also it's a mode button, so when you press this, it's changed to different mode. Let me just test it out for you. So this one changed to take a picture, and this one is I think multi-snap, and this one is the timing, and you got a configuration one. Let me just enter the configuration. So you press on top to enter, and when you do is so the first one is video resolution. So let me see, video resolution. You got 4K, 2.7K, 1080p, 60, down all the way to 720p. So right now I'm doing 1080p 60, and then you go enter to exit, and then you go down to loop recording. Loop recording, you got 1, 3, and 5 minutes, and then you got recording sound. That's probably on off, or mine's on. It's photo resolution. So photo resolution 12, 8, 5, 4, and then maybe 1 meg at the bottom. No 1 meg. Yeah. See, so 1 meg. Try again. No, it's not. So this is the only option. You got 12, 8, 5, and 4. Yeah, sorry for the camera. It's kind of glare. So I go ahead and pick 12. So you got time lapse. I did 3 seconds, and then continue lap, on off. I'll just go ahead and off on that one. Bus photo, exposure for that, and then you got white balance, cloudy, and light. You got all this option. I'll go ahead and pick the auto one, and upside down. I'm not gonna use that function. Power fluency 60 over here, but screensaver was off. So screensaver is I guess when using it, and it start to go off. How many seconds you want? Auto shut off, shut down, leave it off. You daze them, leave it off. So the volume, I put on low, beep, on, off, put on. That's why you get a beeping sound. And the language, time and date, and you want to format thing, and then you want to reset to factory, and the firmware version. So that's it. So let me get out of this one and go back. So I probably, the photo for this, I will do some photo shooting, and let you see how it look like. And I also gonna do the writing video, which is including here later on, so you can see when I'm doing writing, you can see how good the video is. But overall, it looked pretty decent. It's a little bit lighter than the V50 Pro, but it looked like overall, it looked like a pretty good camera, except you don't expect the very good LCD resolution, because this is the cheapest version, I think, for Akaso. So, but overall, it's pretty nice. So I'll let you know. If you wanna, I guess it's good if you just need like a kind of similar style action camera, like a GoPro, but much cheaper price. But after you see the video that I'm recording when I'm writing, and other picture I took with this camera, and you decide for yourself if you want to buy one or not. I think this thing on probably is $59 retail, but if you buy right on the holiday, it's probably have a big discount on this, so probably like maybe in the 30 or 40. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.